What's up guys, I hope you're well. It seems you're not getting out of Sichuan because today we're still here, we're still gonna make a Sichuanese recipe right for you. It is a very easy recipe, very suitable for home cooking, so easy cooking method but without any compromises to its flavors. Today it is the time to make the peppers with soy garlic sauce. Okay, this might not seem that sexy, but listen to this translation. 虎皮尖椒, which literally translated into English means 虎, tiger, 皮, skin, 尖椒, which is actually meaning sharp peppers, and it's referring to shishito peppers. See, Chinese people love to use jiān. It's a sort of way to describing home cooking that everyone loves with easy, simple dishes and techniques that can actually be made at home. So you can see lots of restaurants in China actually promoting themselves as jiān restaurants. And actually, I do suggest you visit some of them whenever you get the possibility to do so. But today you don't have to worry because we're walking straight to your kitchens to prepare this beautiful recipe, and trust me, very few steps to prepare a very nice one and authentic Chinese recipe. So how about we get started? Let's go! Let's start by looking into some of the ingredients we're going to be using. Green peppers. Don't worry, for this dish we don't need particularly spicy peppers. We've chosen a variety called shishito, very distinguishable for their wrinkly appearance and mild flavors. Right, this is what the tradition wants, but us, we wanted to give an extra kick to our dish, so we decided to add other two varieties, that is some tiny little green chilies. Be very careful with these, very spicy. Since I'm in Sichuan, why not adding some local jiāo chilies, famous for their unique fragrance. We love green, but that will be unfair for the red chilies. That is why we decided to add in some red chilies too. Cayenne chilies here, quite spicy though. So make sure you're handling all these chilies either with some protective gloves or just remember to wash your hands afterwards without touching your eyes. I told you. What we've got to do now is to remove all the seeds from the peppers, shaking them a bit. For the jiāo chilies, we're going to do the same thing. And for the rest of the chilies, forget about removing the seeds because we need heat. Adding all these chilies is a personal variation to the classic recipe, so feel free to stick with the original one by adding one type of green peppers, the wrinkly ones. First step is to roast them into a wok with no oil. Remember to control the heat. We need to gently roast them without burning them too much. Press them to do the job and add a pinch of salt to get some moisture out. Looking at these black burnt spots, you're probably asking yourself, hey Luca, what the f*** are you doing? Yes, we want them this way. Remember, the name of the dish is actually tiger skin peppers. See now?
Some ginger. Ginger, just do like this as we did many times before. You can even buy unpeeled ginger, minced ginger, ginger juice, and whatever you've got, with ginger is good. Actually, you don't have to peel the ginger. You can even just use it as it is. Just give it a good wash.
But at the end, no matter what ginger you have got to mince it.
It's time to make the garlic. That's one. We're gonna cut the very bottom of the garlic. After you've eaten all this garlic, try to talk to your wife or your husband, If it's true love, the person next to you, they're going to look through your eyes and say, love you. Person next to you runs away. Oh well, that's probably a reasonable choice, Can't blame him for doing so.
Of course, we do not care. We are all grown-up people and we probably could not live without garlic. And let's suppose you were the only one in the room not eating garlic. That will be tough. Peel it and mince it. Let's get our sauce ready.
Look at these beautiful beans here. They look beautiful. These are fermented beans. These are really natural, fully flavored sort of black beans.
Some black beans soaked into water first to get some moisture back while reducing salt level. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, a touch of sugar and a pinch of salt. Preheat a wok, then add some oil into that and we're almost ready. Garlic and ginger in. Stir well to get these aromatics out. Sauce in and water to create this braised effect that is going to help us to get our peppers infused in our seasonings. Peppers in, give them a good stir, and then add the hot chilies if you have some for an extra kick. Last step is the black vinegar, as this dish will have to maintain a remarkable sour note as well. Make sure that the sauce is thickened before serving. Look at this. What an amazing look.
Woo!
I'm glad we added some red chilies too. As you know, all green has also another special meaning in Chinese language, looking more and more like this guy. You do not want to look like this guy.
So, did you guys enjoy the recipe? If you did like the recipe, try to make it at home, because in that way you're gonna be 100% sure that you actually like it. But of course, you know, even if you didn't like it, you probably liked the video. Well, it's a great recipe because every time you walk into any Chinese restaurants, you can go like, you know, I wanna have a 虎皮尖椒. It's a great thing, you know? Because you gotta understand these authentic recipes, and whenever you walk into these restaurants, you're gonna be a pro in ordering Chinese food and avoiding all the fake stuff. So do not be shy, send us pictures, leave us some comments. Don't forget to use your fingers to click on that like button as well as the bell in here, because you're gonna get notifications whenever we post a new video, and it's gonna help us with the algorithm, which is going to make things easier for us in building this community. So you're gonna get to know each other, people that are in love with Chinese food because of their memories in China, because of their time in China. But yes, my name is Gianluca from the Chinese team, and I would love to be with you in your journey in the understanding of Chinese food, the authentic one, not the fake one. So forget about fried ice cream, General Tso chicken, you know, probably had that at least twice in your life. But anyway, we're gonna forgive you for that.